You ever have that moment when you realize you're spending more time managing your YouTube channel than actually creating videos? That was me stuck in an endless cycle of writing, editing, uploading, scheduling, and optimizing. Until one night I had a thought. What if I could build a system that does it all without me touching a thing? No code, no full-time team, just AI. So here's exactly how I automated 90% of my YouTube workflow, using ChatGPT, Notion AI, Zapier, and a few tricks that turned my entire process into a self-running machine. Let's break it down step by step. I start every week with ChatGPT. Instead of brainstorming from scratch, I just feed it a single line. Give me 10 trending video ideas about AI tools for creators this week. ChatGPT scans the web, recent releases, even product updates, and spits out ideas faster than caffeine hits your brain. But here's the hack: I tell it to rank them by potential search traffic. So I instantly know what's hot, what's dying, and what's worth filming. Once I get the ideas, they flow straight into Notion via Zapier. Each idea becomes a card. Title, description, thumbnail, concept, script, draft. It's like having a content manager that never sleeps. Next is scripts. ChatGPT again, but this time I use custom prompts that make the output sound like a real person. Example: write a 7-minute YouTube script in a friendly, confident tone, explaining how to automate content using AI, include humor, real examples, and transitions. Boom, instant draft. I tweak maybe 10%. But it gets crazier. I built a Zapier automation that takes the script, formats it, and sends it straight to ElevenLabs for voiceover. No manual uploads. No waiting. Just one zap and my AI voice starts talking. Now visuals. For short clips, I use Runway Gen 3 to generate simple motion backgrounds, dark, abstract, text style. For thumbnails, Midjourney or CreAI. Here's my favorite prompt. Futuristic tech workspace, glowing blue accents, cinematic lighting, minimalist composition, YouTube thumbnail, 16:9/1280x720. Then I drop the image into CapCut, where a template automatically adds logo, overlay text, and color grade. Template loads, video renders, done. At this point, I've literally done nothing except give one command to ChatGPT. This is where it gets fun. Once CapCut exports the video, Zapier detects a new file in my ready-to-publish folder. Then, uploads it to YouTube. Copies the description from Notion. Adds tags and hashtags. Sets it as scheduled for 12 p.m. EST. And when the video goes live, it automatically posts a promo to Twitter, X, and Reddit using the same AI-generated caption. That's the moment you realize the system's alive. I didn't stop there. Every night, a script pulls my YouTube Analytics API data, views, retention, click-through rate, and feeds it back into Notion. Then ChatGPT reviews the data and gives me a mini report. Your last 3 videos had the highest retention at 42:58 seconds, likely due to shorter intros. Try using direct question hooks. That's not just data, that's direction. AI doesn't just automate, it improves itself. One morning I woke up to this message. Video published successfully, 30 views in 12 hours. I hadn't touched anything. Not one click. That's when it hit me, I wasn't running a channel anymore. I was running a machine that made content for me. And here's the thing, you can do it too. Because every tool I used is free or almost free. ChatGPT, Notion AI, Zapier, CapCut, Runway, ElevenLabs all connect like puzzle pieces. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to think in systems. Most creators waste time trying to do more. Smart creators build systems that do it for them. That's the future, where AI becomes your silent co-editor, your producer, your analytics team. And when people ask, how do you upload every day? I just smile and say, I don't, my system does. If you're watching this right now, open a Notion page. Write one sentence. How can I automate this with AI? Ask that every time you do something repetitive. Because that's how it starts. One idea, one prompt, one automation. Then you wake up and your YouTube channel runs itself. You don't need more time, you need better systems. Subscribe to ToolByte Ops, where every byte builds a smarter workflow.